Welcome to this detailed and honest review of Handshake, one of the rising stars in the dropshipping world. If you're looking to start your own dropshipping business or switch from your current platform, you're in the right place. We'll dive into everything Handshake has to offer, from the sign-up process to the features that make it stand out. Starting with the user interface, Handshake offers a clean, intuitive design that's easy to navigate, whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro. You'll find all the tools you need right on the dashboard, with simple links to your store's orders, inventory, and analytics. The platform's minimalistic approach means you won't feel overwhelmed, and everything you need is just a few clicks away. Next, let's talk about the product sourcing tools. Handshake has partnered with multiple suppliers, making it easy to find trending products to sell in your store. The product database is well organized and searchable, and you can filter results based on categories, price, shipping options, and more. Whether you're looking for niche items or popular products, Handshake offers a wide variety to choose from. When it comes to automating the dropshipping process, Handshake shines. You can easily connect your store to various e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, allowing for seamless syncing of inventory, orders, and shipments. Once you make a sale, Handshake takes care of everything from order fulfillment to shipping, ensuring that your customers receive their products on time. Another standout feature is the customer support. Whether you're having trouble setting up your store or need help navigating the platform, Handshake's support team is readily available. They offer multiple channels of communication, including live chat and email support, so you can get answers quickly. A key consideration for any dropshipping platform is pricing. Handshake offers competitive pricing with flexible subscription plans. They even have a free trial option, so you can test out the platform before committing long-term. For new dropshipping entrepreneurs, this is a great opportunity to explore the platform's features without any financial risk. Overall, Handshake provides a user-friendly experience with all the necessary tools to run a successful dropshipping business. Its product sourcing, automation features, and customer support are particularly noteworthy. If you're in the market for a dropshipping platform that offers simplicity, efficiency, and scalability, Handshake might be the right choice for you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews of the latest e-commerce platforms.